In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use segments in Constant Contact for targeted email campaigns. Segmenting lets you group contacts by shared traits or behaviors, so your messages feel relevant and timely, which typically boosts opens, clicks, and conversions. First, log into your Constant Contact account. Make sure you're signing into the account associated with the audience you want to reach. Once you're in, look for the main navigation and head to the contacts area. This is where all your lists, tags, and segmentation tools live. Inside contacts, open the segments section. If you already have segments, you can review them and reuse one that fits your goal. If you need something new, choose the option to create a segment. Think ahead about the audience you want. For example, recent purchasers, event attendees, or subscribers who are highly engaged. Now, choose the rules that define who belongs in this segment. You can build it from list membership, tags you've applied to contacts, recent activity like opens or clicks, or specific contact details. Activity rules are great for engagement, such as people who opened an email in the last 90 days. Tags are handy for interests like webinar or VIP. Contact details can narrow by location or other profile fields. You can usually set whether contacts must match all rules or any of them, which gives you precise control. Keep it focused. 2 or 3 well-chosen criteria often perform better than a long, complicated set. When your rules look right, save the segment. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you and your teammates instantly understand who's inside. Most segments are dynamic, meaning they update automatically as contacts meet or no longer meet the criteria, so you won't need to rebuild them each time. With your segment saved, it's time to use it in a campaign. When creating an email, go to the recipients or send to section and select your segment from the available options. You'll usually see an estimated audience size, which helps confirm you chose the right group. Tailor your subject line and content to speak directly to this audience's needs and interests for the best results. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to contacts, created and saved a segment, and put it to work in a targeted email. With thoughtful rules and clear naming, segments become a powerful, repeatable way to send smarter messages.